How do you create a paragraph? One way is to use the AXIS guidelines. AXIS guidelines stands for assertion, example, explanation, and so what. With the AXIS guidelines, you can develop effective paragraphs with your assertion is your topic sentence. You have examples or supporting details, and of course you need to explain how your supporting details or examples prove your assertion. Next, you have the so what, where you can either connect back to your thesis or connect to the reader and ask why they care. Often, students need to work on explanation. In fact, explanation is often the most important part of an effective argument. If you use the AXIS guidelines, you can develop effective paragraphs that develop clear topic sentences, supporting details, explanation, and connect to the reader.